Hey up blogosphere, I'm making myself a welding cart. I've seen those weld it yourself laser cut tabletop kits on the internet quite a bit recently, and I looked into getting one for this project. But they're quite expensive even before you factor in shipping to the UK. They don't really make a kit in the size that I wanted, and even if they did, they're all imperial, and the rest of the world's moved on to metric now, guys. But it seems like a good idea and simple enough to achieve. So I wrote a recipe, sent it out to my tame laser cutting guys, and yesterday I packed up this stack of pieces. So let's break out the welder and put it together. Props to Wesley Treat for this very economical design of clamp for this table. It's cost me, 4 of these, cost me £14. Pretty good. Right, that's the top done. I'm pretty pleased with how that's come out. It's pretty flat, good enough for my purposes anyway. So now it needs legs and maybe some wheels. Right, it's got legs and even feet. But wait, I hear you say, isn't this supposed to be a cart? Isn't it going to have wheels? Well, yes it is. But I don't want it to have the wheels all the time because it'd scoot around while I was trying to use it, which is why I've made this. This is about as simple a wheel mechanism as I could think of. Sorry, Wesley. It's got 3 moving parts. You turn the middle piece and it moves the wheels with a lever. There's not an awful lot of movement on the wheels due to the length of the lever, which means that in the stowed position, the wheels need to be just touching the floor in order for it to have enough travel to lift the feet off the ground at full extension. So I need to line it all up and bolt it into the frame in just the right spot. Wheels go up, floor isn't flat. Wheels go down. And there we go, done. Well, the first job for the cart is to build a new workbench, and then after that I might do some upgrades to the cart itself. But for now, that's all. See ya!